Hi everyone! So today we will discuss a topic that is part of general mathematics, which is the proposition. To be specific, we will discuss about simple and compound propositions. So firstly, what is proposition? In mathematics, proposition is a statement or declarative sentence that can be claimed true or false but cannot be both. Here are some examples of propositions. 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. Apples are violet. Philippines is part of Asia. 2024 is next month. Now, let's determine the following if it's proposition or not proposition. Number 1. 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Number 2. X minus y is equals to 3. Number 3. He is a cyclist. Number 4. If x is equals to 10, then x minus 10 is equals to 0. Number 5. X is equals to 4. Now, let's see the answers. Number 1 is proposition because there is no hidden value. Number 2, not proposition. We cannot really determine if x minus y equals to 3 because the value of x and y are not given. Number 3, not proposition. The person that is mentioned is not specific. Number 4, proposition. Because we can determine the answer since the value of x is given. Number 5, not proposition. We don't know if x and 4 are equal or the value of x is 4. Let's move on to simple and compound proposition. So, what is simple proposition? Simple proposition are short statements and doesn't need connective devices. Some examples are, tomorrow is Friday. My name is Belle. Number 7 is an odd number. How about compound proposition? How do simple and compound proposition differ from each other? Compound propositions are statements that contains more than two simple statements, and it differ from simple propositions because compound propositions needs connectives so that they will be recognized. Some examples of compound propositions are, I am an engineer and a pilot. If I will study hard, then I will pass the exam. I will eat lunch if and only if it's my favorite food.
Let us determine if the following are simple or compound propositions. Number 1. Thailand is a part of Asia. Is it simple or compound? Yes, it is simple. Number 2. If my mom will leave the country, then I will go with her. That's correct. It is compound. It has the word if and then. Lastly, x plus 1 is equals to 8 if and only if x is equals to 7. It's compound. It has the word if and only if. Now, let's proceed to 5 logical operations. These are used to group simple propositions or statement to become a compound proposition or statement. 1. Conjunction. Two simple propositions are connected using the word and. 2. Disjunction. Two simple propositions are connected using the word or. 3. Negation. Used to deny a statement, it means not be. 4. Conditional. This is only known as an implication and it is used to connect two simple propositions using the word if then. 5. Biconditional. It is used to connect two simple propositions using the word if and only if. Those connected words have symbols. Conjunction has the word and that is represented by symbol circumflex accent. Disjunction has the word or that is represented by symbol caret or circumflex. Negation has the word not that is represented by tilde equivalent sign. Conditional have the words if then that is represented by right arrow. Biconditional have the words if and only if that is represented by equivalent symbol. For example, let P, Kyle is reading, and Q, Kyle is listening to music. For negation, the statement is, Kyle is not reading. Conjunction, the statement is, Kyle is reading and listening to music. Disjunction, statement, Kyle is either reading or listening to music. Conditional, the statement is, if Kyle is reading, then he is listening to music. And lastly, we have biconditional. The statement is, Kyle is reading if and only if he is listening to music. We also have brackets and parentheses. Parentheses are used to group simple statements within a compound statement, while brackets are used to group a compound statement within a larger compound. Let us give a translation of the following statements. Number 1. You are not a doctor. 2. Kian is answering his test and it's not true that he cheated. 3. If he is not coming, then I will come. 4. He is either smart or logical. 5. It is windy outside, if and only if the leaves are moving and kites are visible. And here are the answers. And that's all our lesson for today. I hope you guys have learned about prepositions and its simple and compound. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you and goodbye.